the most extravagant residential property on Earth. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a showcase of sheer opulence and extravagance. Today we bring you the epitome of luxury living, the creme de la creme of residential properties, the priciest residential property on the planet. Situated in the heart of a bustling metropolis, this architectural masterpiece stands tall, exuding elegance and sophistication. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted with an aura of grandeur, where no expense has been spared in creating an abode fit for royalty. This is not just a home, but a statement of wealth and prestige, a property that's truly one of a kind. So if you're looking to indulge in the ultimate luxury living experience, the priciest residential property on the planet is the pinnacle of what you've been searching for. First up, Odeon Tower Penthouse. The Odeon Tower Penthouse is located in the Odeon Tower, a luxurious residential building in the Principality of Monaco. The tower is one of the most exclusive and expensive residential properties in the world, known for its stunning architecture, breathtaking views, and unparalleled luxury amenities. The cost of the Odeon Tower Penthouse can vary depending on the size, layout, and location within the tower. However, it is widely known that the prices for the residences in the tower are among the highest in the world, with some reports suggesting that the penthouse can cost upwards of $400 million. The exterior of the Odeon Tower Penthouse is a marvel of modern architecture, boasting sleek lines and a futuristic design. The tower itself stands at an impressive height of 170 meters, making it the tallest building in Monaco. The penthouse is located at the top of the tower, offering panoramic views of the city and the Mediterranean Sea. The interior of the Odeon Tower Penthouse is just as impressive as its exterior. The penthouse features high-end finishes and luxurious materials throughout, including marble flooring, designer lighting fixtures, and state-of-the-art appliances. The living spaces are designed with an open concept, creating a seamless flow between the kitchen, dining, and living areas. The bedrooms in the Odeon Tower Penthouse are spacious and elegantly designed, featuring plush bedding, custom furniture, and stunning views of the city. The bathrooms are equally impressive, with marble countertops, walk-in showers, and large soaking tubs. Next up, Le Palais Bulles. Le Palais Bulles, also known as the Bubble Palace, is a luxurious residence located in the French Riviera, designed by architect Antilia. The unique bubble-like design and stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea make it a highly sought-after property. The cost of staying at Le Palais Bulles varies depending on several factors, including the time of year, the length of stay, and the number of guests. As a private residence, the property is not typically rented out on a nightly basis like a hotel, but rather for longer stays or special events such as weddings and photo shoots. In 2021, it was reported that Le Palais Bulles was available for rent at a rate of 50,000 euros to 100,000 euros per week, depending on the season and the number of guests. However, these prices are subject to change and may not reflect the current rental rates. The exterior of the palace is truly unique with its bubble-shaped structures, curved lines, and a rainbow of pastel colors. The palace is set on a hill overlooking the Mediterranean Sea and has a beautiful landscape garden with olive trees and cacti. Inside the palace, the luxury continues with unique and artistic decor. The rooms are spacious and airy with curved walls and no sharp edges. The furnishings are designed to blend in with the curved architecture, and each room has a distinct theme and color scheme. The palace has 10 bedrooms each, with an ensuite bathroom, and most with a private terrace overlooking the sea. The master bedroom is particularly impressive with its own living area, dressing room, and a bathroom that features a circular bed in the middle of a glass-walled shower. Number 5. Villa de Citrus. Citrus is a luxurious refuge close to Chania's charming old town that can house up to 14 guests in its 7 roomy bedrooms, divided across 7 separate buildings. Citrus is the ideal Crete vacation rental for intergenerational families and friends reunions, serving as the ideal home base to experience everything the island has to offer. It features generous areas, first-rate amenities, and a multi-dimensional personality friendly to all ages. Villa de Citrus is a luxurious property that boasts a stunning exterior and interior design, From the moment you arrive, you'll be impressed by the grandeur of the villa's architecture and the attention to detail in every aspect of its construction. The exterior of Villa de Citrus features elegant Mediterranean-style architecture with white stucco walls, terracotta roofing tiles, and wrought iron accents. The villa is surrounded by lush gardens filled with citrus trees, palm trees, and other tropical plants, providing a peaceful and serene atmosphere. As you step inside Villa de Citrus, you'll be greeted by a spacious and airy interior that combines classic and contemporary design elements. The main living area features high ceilings, large windows, and an open floor plan, creating a sense of spaciousness and flow. The furniture is carefully curated and designed to provide comfort and luxury, with plush sofas, armchairs, and chaise lounges. The villa's kitchen is a chef's dream, with state-of-the-art appliances, ample storage, and high-quality finishes. The dining area is elegantly designed and can accommodate a large group of guests, making it perfect for entertaining. The bedrooms in Villa de Citrus are spacious and beautifully designed. Each bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom, which is decorated with natural stone and elegant fixtures. The outdoor area of Villa de Citrus is just as impressive as the interior. The villa features a large swimming pool, surrounded by comfortable lounges and chairs, where guests can relax and enjoy the sunshine. There's also an outdoor dining area with a large table and chairs, perfect for al fresco dining. Number 4. The One. Rita Kogan, the late video game heiress and daughter of Space Invaders creator Michael Kogan, sold Niami, the 8-acre promontory where the One now stands in 2012 for $28 million. After demolishing the original mid-century modern mansion, he spent tens of millions more over the course of the following 8 years working with architect Paul McLean to complete this opulent contemporary spec house. It is still unfinished as of right now. The buyer will need to fork up millions more on top of the high sale price and will probably be stuck in construction for months just to make the shopping mall-sized property livable. The main mansion, built by Catherine Rotondi, spans a staggering 105,000 square feet of living space with 21 bedrooms and a mind-boggling total of 49 bathrooms, 42 of them full baths, the remaining powder rooms. It is ringed on 3 sides by a water-filled moat. The entire building has glass walls to provide panoramic views of the ocean, the city skyline, and the San Gabriel Mountains. There is also a guest house with 3 bedrooms and staff housing with 7 bedrooms. The estate does have a large nightclub, full-service beauty salon, wellness center, 4-lane bowling alley, 10,000-bottle wine cellar, as well as a sky deck with a putting green, glass-encased jogging track, 40-seat Dolby Digital theater, 5 pools, and a 30-car garage with 2 display turntables. Despite Niami's initial promises of a jellyfish tank and ice bar. Next up is Villa Leopolda. According to a press report, Russian billionaire Mikhail Prokhorov paid nearly €500 million for the most expensive property in the world, a former royal mansion on the French Riviera. For $730 million, the former CEO of the Russian mining firm Norilsk Nickel purchased the Villa Leopolda, which was constructed in 1902 for the Belgian King Leopold II at Cap Ferret, not far from Nice and Monaco. According to the Nice Matin newspaper, former owners of the property include the late Italian industrialist and major Fiat shareholder Giovanni Agnelli and Swiss banker Edmond Safra, a Lebanese-born citizen whose widow Lily Safra was now selling it. Prokhorov's $419.5 billion fortune is ranked 6th in Russia and 24th overall by Forbes magazine. At our number 2 spot, Antilia. Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries, is currently the 13th richest person in the world according to the Bloomberg Billionaire Index, with a net worth of $83.9 billion, while Gautam Adani, another billionaire, is down at number 21 with $60.5 billion fortune. Ambani, who is in charge of the biggest oil refinery in the world, also resides in the most costly private home in the world. In addition to Antilia, his real estate portfolio also consists of Stoke Park in London and a beachfront home on the Palm Jumeirah in Dubai. The principal residence of Mukesh Ambani is fairly appropriate for a man who is now ranked as the 2nd richest person in India. His residence, Antilia, is fit for a guy who ranks among the wealthiest people in the world. The multi-million-dollar bespoke skyscraper overwhelms observers with its sheer grandeur from the exterior. The second most costly house for billionaires in the world is Antilia. The UK royal family's home, Buckingham Palace, is known to be the most valuable property after that. In 2020, property surveyors estimated Antilia to be worth around $2.2 billion. Although there are no precise estimates, it is frequently stated in the media that Antilia's maintenance work costs 2.5 crore rupees per month. And finally, at number 1, Buckingham Palace. One of the most famous and opulent structures in the world, Buckingham Palace serves as the official residence of the British Queen. Given that it is a historic structure with a distinctive cultural significance, it is challenging to determine with certainty what it is worth. However, some estimations place the value of Buckingham Palace at about $4.9 billion. This assessment accounts for the palace's historical importance as well as the size of the structure and its opulent features. 775 rooms total, including 19 staterooms, 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 188 servant bedrooms, 92 offices, and 78 baths make up Buckingham Palace. In addition to other big spaces, it features a ballroom, a throne room, a photo gallery, and a music room. The monarch of the United Kingdom maintains an official residence at Buckingham Palace in London, England. The palace's interior is enormous and opulent, with striking architecture, priceless furnishings, and lovely artwork. Here are some of the highlights of the luxurious interior of the Buckingham Palace. 1. The Grand Staircase. This staircase is the centerpiece of the palace's interior, featuring a beautiful balustrade, a dome ceiling, and a chandelier that weighs over a ton. 2. The Throne Room. This grand room is where the monarch holds official ceremonies and receives foreign dignitaries. The room is adorned with beautiful tapestries, gilded columns, and thrones for the monarch and their consort. 3. The White Drawing Room. This elegant room is used for receptions and ceremonies and features white and gold furnishings, beautiful paintings, and a stunning chandelier. 4. The Green Drawing Room. This room features beautiful green silk walls and ornate gold furnishings. It is used for more intimate receptions and gatherings. 5. The Music Room. This room features stunning acoustics and is often used for concerts and recitals. It is decorated with beautiful paintings and sculptures. 6. The Picture Gallery. This long gallery features some of the palace's most impressive artwork, including pieces by Rembrandt, Vermeer, and Canaletto. In addition to its impressive size and grandeur, Buckingham Palace is home to a number of priceless works of art, antique furniture, and historic artifacts. It also features stunning gardens and grounds which are meticulously maintained by a team of expert gardeners. Overall, Buckingham Palace is a truly iconic and luxurious building, and its estimated value reflects the incredible cultural and historical significance of this remarkable residence. And that wraps up our video on the most extravagant residential property on Earth. We hope you enjoyed the tour and were inspired by the opulence and grandeur of this incredible property, from its stunning architecture to its luxurious amenities. It's clear why these residences has earned its place as the pinnacle of high-end real estate. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos like this one. We'll see you next time.